Ireland, a land of myths, history, and breathtaking landscapes. Introduction. Ireland, often referred to as the Emerald Isle, is a land steeped in history, mythology, and natural beauty. Located on the westernmost edge of Europe, this island nation is known for its rolling green hills, rugged coastlines, rich cultural traditions, and warm, welcoming people. With a history that dates back thousands of years, Ireland has played a significant role in shaping European civilization. From ancient stone circles to medieval castles, from vibrant cities to charming rural villages, Ireland offers a captivating blend of past and present. But Ireland is more than just its history. It's a place of storytelling, of music that stirs the soul, and of landscapes that inspire poetry. It's a country where traditions endure, where the pub culture is as much about community as it is about the famous Guinness Stout, and where every winding road leads to yet another breathtaking vista. This article takes you on a journey through Ireland's deep-rooted history, diverse culture, stunning landscapes, major cities, unique cuisine, famous landmarks, and top travel destinations, providing you with an in-depth look at what makes this country truly magical. A deep dive into Ireland's history. Ireland's history is long and complex, shaped by waves of settlers, invasions, and cultural transformations. 1. Prehistoric Ireland. The first humans arrived in Ireland around 10,000 years ago, with evidence of their presence found at sites like Mount Sandal in County Derry. The Neolithic period, circa 4000 BC, saw the construction of impressive megalithic structures, including the renowned Newgrange tomb, built around 3200 BC, which predates both Stonehenge and the Great Pyramids of Giza. Other significant ancient structures include Carrowmore Megalithic Cemetery and Pulnabrony Dolmen, which provide insight into Ireland's earliest inhabitants. Ireland's prehistoric people were skilled farmers and builders, creating vast ceremonial sites that are still shrouded in mystery. 2. Celtic influence. The Celts arrived around 500 BC, bringing their language, customs, and intricate artistic styles that remain integral to Irish identity. The ancient Irish established a complex society governed by kings, druids, and warriors, with myths and legends such as Cú Chulainn and the Fianna forming part of the national folklore. The Ogham script, Ireland's first known written language, was developed during this period and can still be seen on ancient stone carvings across the country. Ireland's Celtic heritage is deeply ingrained in its culture, from the knotwork designs in art to the continued celebration of ancient festivals like Samhain, the precursor to Halloween. 3. Christianity and the Golden Age. St. Patrick is credited with bringing Christianity to Ireland in the 5th century, converting the island's pagan inhabitants. His legacy is celebrated every year on March 17th. The following centuries saw Ireland become a center of learning, with monastic scholars producing illuminated manuscripts like the Book of Kells, one of the most famous works of medieval art. Monastic settlements such as Clonmacnoise and Glendalough became important centers of knowledge and spiritual life, attracting scholars from across Europe. The period is often called Ireland's Golden Age due to its influence on religious and intellectual thought. 4. Viking and Norman invasions. Vikings began raiding Irish monasteries in the 8th century, eventually founding Dublin in 841 AD. They also established settlements in Limerick, Waterford, and Cork, integrating into Irish society over time. The Normans invaded Ireland in 1169, reshaping Irish society with castles, feudalism, and new governance systems. Norman castles such as Trim Castle and Carrickfergus Castle still stand today as historical landmarks, testaments to Ireland's medieval past. 5. English rule and struggles for independence. Ireland fell under increasing English control from the 16th century, leading to centuries of conflict and rebellion. The Great Famine, 1845 to 1852, devastated the population, leading to mass emigration, particularly to the United States, Canada, and Australia. The Irish War of Independence, 1919 to 1921, resulted in the creation of the Republic of Ireland in 1922, with Northern Ireland remaining part of the United Kingdom. The Troubles, 1960s to 1998, marked a period of conflict in Northern Ireland, which was largely resolved with the Good Friday Agreement in 1998. Today, Ireland is a thriving nation with a strong economy, rich culture, and a continuing connection to its past. Cultural identity and traditions. Ireland's cultural heritage is rich and vibrant, with traditions that have endured for millennia, on mythology and folklore. Ireland's ancient myths and legends include tales of the Tuatha De Danann, the warrior Fionn McCumhale, and the legendary Banshee, a ghostly figure who foretells death. The leprechaun, a mischievous fairy known for hiding gold at the end of the rainbow, remains a popular symbol of Irish folklore. The legend of the Claddagh Ring, a traditional Irish symbol of love, loyalty, and friendship, has origins in Galway and is still widely worn today. Fairy forts, ancient circular dwellings, are still considered sacred, with many Irish people avoiding disturbing them for fear of bad luck. 2. Music and dance. Traditional Irish music features instruments like the fiddle, tin whistle, bodhrán drum, and wheelie-on pipes, creating a distinct and recognizable sound. The internationally renowned river dance showcases Irish step dancing, a high-energy performance style that has captivated audiences worldwide. Ireland has produced famous musicians such as U2, Enya, the Cranberries, and more recently, Hozier and Dermot Kennedy. Traditional music sessions in pubs remain a staple of Irish social life, bringing people together through shared melodies and stories. 3. Language. The Irish language, Gaeilge, is one of Europe's oldest languages, still spoken fluently in Gaeltacht regions along the west coast. While English is the primary language, efforts continue to preserve and promote Irish Gaelic through education, media, and cultural initiatives. Many place names across Ireland derive from Gaelic words, revealing insights into the country's past. Conclusion. Ireland is a land that captivates the heart and soul. Whether you are exploring the ancient ruins that whisper tales of the past, losing yourself in the music that fills the air in lively pubs, or simply gazing at the rolling green landscapes that stretch endlessly before you, there is a magic in Ireland that is truly unique. It's a country that embraces both its history and its future, where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. For travelers, Ireland is not just a destination, it's an experience, a feeling, a story waiting to be lived. So if you ever have the chance to visit, take it. Walk the cobbled streets of Dublin, watch the sunset over the cliffs of Moher, and let the charm of Ireland leave an indelible mark on your heart.